this every morning and you look like a young person of 20 years old. In this video we present your recipe so you can look 20 years old without painful beauty treatments. Only you need to mix these ingredients to prepare a wonderful solution that will keep you looking younger. Aside from being painful, surgeries are very expensive and not everyone has the money or the value to be placed under the knife to look younger. It is why there are other much simpler, cheaper and less frightening methods. One of them is which we will introduce you in this video. Women are the main who want to look much younger whenever you can because they have a fear of aging, so always look for a solution to have fewer wrinkles, less gray hair and fewer years. The ingredients in this recipe will not get the time to stop, but they will greatly improve your appearance, making it less visible aging. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cornstarch, corn flour, 5 tablespoons fresh carrot juice, 1 tablespoon low-fat sour cream. Elaboration: add the cornstarch to 100 milliliters of water. Place in a pot and heat until it thickens, let cool and then add carrot juice and cream. Scoop low fat. Now mix well to obtain a homogeneous solution. You should clean your face thoroughly before applying this mask. Apply specifically in the areas you deem necessary and let set for about half an hour. After the elapsed time, remove the mask with warm water. You can keep it in the fridge and use it again as many times as you want. It is advisable to use between 3 to 5 times a week.